In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zoho Mail username. If you want to update the name recipients see in the From line, you can do it in your Zoho account settings. This walkthrough focuses on changing your display name, often called the username, in Zoho Mail. This won't change your email address, only the name shown when you send messages. Open your browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Sign in to the correct account if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It may appear as your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. In the menu, choose My Account. This opens your Zoho account page, where personal details and security settings live. On this page, find Profile, then open Personal Information. This section controls the name that feeds into your mail profile. Depending on your theme or screen size, these options may appear in a sidebar or under a drop-down, but the labels are the same. On the personal information screen, click Edit so the fields become editable. Locate the display name field. This is the name people see as the sender when they receive your emails. Update it to the exact name you want to present, your full name, a preferred name, or a professional variation. Keep it clear and recognizable, and avoid adding signatures, emojis, or extra characters since this name appears in email headers. Consistent naming helps contacts recognize your messages and reduces the chance of them being overlooked. When you're satisfied, click Save. Zoho will confirm the update, and your new display name will start appearing on newly composed emails. Existing messages you've already sent will keep the old name, but all new mail will reflect the update. If you don't see the option to edit, your organization's administrator may control profile details. That's it. You went from your inbox to the profile icon, opened My Account, navigated to Profile and Personal Information, tapped Edit, changed the display name, and saved. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present the right name in every message you send with Zoho Mail.